Hi guys, if you have a Samsung Galaxy A12 and your camera is taking out pictures blurry, as you can see, this device have multiple cameras and the different cameras would do different things. So one of my get good pictures, what I realize is that if you have your camera on full, which is the dimension, you will get blurry pictures. I just zoom in and we can also zoom out as well. So for you to switch between the different camera qualities, you want to go up at the top where it says full. So if you look there, you can see it says full. And you can select the different ratio for your pictures and also your images. Depending on which one you select, this will determine the type of quality you will get. So I have this on 3.4 and the quality look very good and very sharp and clean. So guys, I want to tell you guys that if you have this on full, your pictures can be very blurry. So guys, you want to do your videos on 48 megapixel. This is to get the best possible quality out. So if we select the 48 megapixel, you can see right away that our image is sharper than before. And as I state, because of the multiple cameras, these cameras do have different functions. If you notice that you are getting a blurry image, you want to check your ratio and also you want to check your megapixels. And dependent, I realize that I mostly get blurry images with the full ratio. So we can go 9:16 and we can still get a good quality out. Also, if you are not aware, you can go to portrait and there's an intensity blurring at the background. So if you have a subject selected, the background will blur. Let's try. As you can see, my background is blurred in the video and only the subject is highlighted. So guys, if it happens that you are getting a blurry image or a blurry background and you are on portraits, you will want to take down your intensity. Let's take it down. Now we take down the intensity, you can see that our background is cleared. So this is if you want to blur out your background. Guys, this is how you can do it. You can use the intensity to do so. So if you realize that for some reason your images are looking blurry, this can be another reason for it. This is a very cool feature to highlight your subject and to blur out your background. And also, if it happens that you have messed up your camera settings and you have changed up a lot of different things, you can simply go to settings here by the top and you can reset the settings there to factory settings. So guys, I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.